Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can add payment method on Coinbase. So right now I'm using the app version of Coinbase. If you want it for like the website or the PC version of it, comment down below. I'll make a video on that topic as well. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Coinbase. Now with that out of the way, to add a payment method under Coinbase, open your Coinbase app and click on the three line at the top left corner of your screen. Once you do that, go on versus profile and setting. Once you go on profile and setting, you can see payment methods. Under that, there's a button called add a payment method. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you credit/debit card. Now if you want to add a bank account, you need to first verify your account of Coinbase. Once you verify your account, there's going to be a bank option over here at the bottom as well. You can click on that, but since I don't have it, I'm going to show you how to link a credit or debit card. Click on it and it's going to take you to the page where you guys can enter your credit or debit card information. And once you're in this page over here, what you need to do is enter your card number, your card's expiration date over here, and your card CVC number and your postal code. And at the bottom, click on add card, and if all the information is correct, your card will be added over here on Coinbase as a form of payment. So that's how we guys can do it. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Bye bye everybody.